How to fix Marvel Rivals shader compiling is slow and stuck at the loading screen. So first you want to open up Steam and then right click on Marvel Rivals, go to Properties, and then go to General section, and under Launch Options you want to type the following command. So you want to type -use all available cores like this. And then you want to close this window, and now you will need to open up your GPU settings. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you want to right click on the desktop and click on NVIDIA control panel, or search for it in the start menu, and then you want to open up the application or the control panel, which should look like this. Now you want to click on manage 3D settings under the 3D settings section, which is this one right here. Now under global settings tab, you want to scroll down till you find cache size, which is this one right here, shader cache size. And instead of setting it to driver default, you want to set this to 5 gigs or 5 GB like this. Now you want to click on apply and wait for it to apply the change. Now you might need to restart your computer before this can take effect. And after restarting your computer, you should simply run Marvel Rivals again from Steam, and that should fix the issue of shader compiling slow and stuck. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.